Welcome back. If you've been trying to figure out where all your Facebook Marketplace listings are on the web version of Facebook, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find them on your PC after the new update. First, open Facebook Web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open the main account menu where you can access your personal settings and activity options. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Activity Log. This is the section where Facebook keeps track of many of your actions and account activities, so it's the right place to look when you want to review your marketplace activity. Inside the Activity Log, find and click on your Facebook activity. This will open a more detailed list of your actions across Facebook. Now, scroll or look through the available categories until you see Facebook Marketplace. Click on it and then select Marketplace Listings. Once you enter Marketplace Listings, you'll be able to see the listings connected to your account. This is useful if you want to review items you've posted, check older listings, or simply keep track of what's currently active on Marketplace. If you don't see everything right away, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account and that you've followed each step in order. Sometimes the menu layout may look slightly different depending on Facebook updates, but the path is still usually very similar. So again, the process is simple. Open Facebook Web, click your profile photo, go into Settings and Privacy. Open Activity Log, choose your Facebook activity, then select Facebook Marketplace and Marketplace Listings. That's it. In just a few clicks, you can find all your marketplace listings on Facebook Web from your PC. If this helped you, you're now ready to manage your listings much faster and with less confusion.